the lie we were sold. They told you that money would fix your life. Buy more, earn more, show more. But why are so many rich people still broken, still tired, still empty? The truth is this: chasing money won't make you free. The quiet trap. You wake up, you check your phone. You see people winning, spending, flashing gold. You feel behind. You think, I need more. That quiet thought becomes a loud prison. What is real freedom? Is freedom money? No. Freedom is peace. Peace when you wake up. Peace when you're alone. Peace when you're not chasing. Stoic said, if you need little, you are rich. Rich but not free. Some people have everything, yet they can't sleep without pills. They smile for cameras, but they cry in silence. They are rich but not free. Why? Because they chase gold, not peace. The false finish line. You think, once I get X amount, I'll be happy. Then you get it and want more. It never ends. The Stoics knew this game. They stopped playing it. The true currency. Money is a tool, but peace is the goal. Love is the goal. Freedom is the goal. Time is the real currency. Don't waste it chasing numbers. Who really owns you? If you must wake up at 5 for someone you hate, if you fake smiles for money, if your soul is tired, you are not free, even if you are rich. Seneca's warning. Seneca said, people are frugal with money, but waste their lives. We guard our wallets, but we let anyone steal our time. That is the true poverty. The myth of more. More clothes, more shoes, more likes, more pain. More doesn't mean better. It just means heavier. What can't be bought? You can buy followers. You can buy attention. But you can't buy meaning. You can't buy peace. You can't buy purpose. You must build it. Inside, the price of peace. Some people pay with their soul to earn a little gold. They trade joy for stress, smiles for silence. They don't know peace is more expensive than money, but it's worth it. You don't need to impress. You don't need new shoes to be respected. You don't need a fancy car to be loved. The people who matter care more about your heart than your wallet. The Stoic way. The Stoics live simple. They own little, but they were strong, calm, and free. They didn't chase. They chose peace over pride. Who are you without money? Take away the cash. Take away the fame. Who are you now? Are you kind? Are you strong? Can you sit in silence with peace? The empty room test. Close your eyes. Sit in a room with nothing. No phone. No noise. Can you breathe easy? Or does your soul panic? That's your real wealth test. You were not born to chase. You weren't born to run in circles. You were born to grow, to feel, to live with meaning, not madness. But chasing kills meaning. Every time. The power of enough. One bowl of food. One friend who listens. One roof to sleep under. That's enough. More is just noise. More often steals your calm. You can still be free. Even now. Even if you're in debt. Even if you're tired. You can still start. Start small. Cut the lies. Walk toward peace. The mirror question. Look in the mirror and ask, am I living free or just surviving? Let that question guide you. Every day. It's not too late to change. From chasing to choosing. Stop chasing. Start choosing. Choose peace. Choose depth. Choose moments over money. That's when you become rich. Truly rich. The silent suffering of the rich. They have gold. They fly private. But their hearts? Heavy. Their smiles? Fake. Because when you chase only money, your soul stays hungry. Money is a good servant, bad master. Money can help. It can feed. It can build. But if money controls you, if it owns your peace, it becomes your master. And you? A slave. The calm inside simplicity. One cup, one plate, one mind. That's how the Stoics lived. They didn't fear losing things because they needed little. Less noise, more calm. Simplicity is freedom. Who are you trying to prove it to? Think hard. Why do you want more? To impress? To escape? To be seen? You don't need to prove anything. You just need to be real. what the dying say. They don't say, I wish I made more money. They say, I wish I spent more time with people I love. I wish I lived slower. Let their regrets teach you now. Life is short, but you are enough. Time is moving, fast. Don't waste it chasing. You already have worth, not in things, but in who you are, right now. No one can take inner peace. They can steal your money, burn your house, but they can't touch your mind. If it's trained, if it's free, if it's still, let go to rise up. Drop the need to impress. Drop the race. Drop the noise. That's when you'll float, like a balloon that let go of its weight. Build a life, not a brand. Likes fade, followers disappear, but character stays. Build a life that feels good on the inside, not just one that looks good online. True freedom starts with you. No one will give you peace. Not your boss, not your bank, not your fame. You must choose it, today, right now. The trap of always wanting more. You get one thing, you want the next. A bigger house, a better phone. But the hunger never ends, because the trap is this. More is never enough. Real riches are inside you. Kindness is wealth. Wisdom is gold. A quiet mind is treasure. Look inside. You're already holding more than money can buy. Money can't heal pain. Pain from your past. A wound in your heart. No amount of cash can fix it. Only courage. Only honesty. Only truth can heal that. Let them laugh. Let them mock. They might laugh when you live simple. They might mock your path. Let them, because they're stuck chasing. You're walking free. Be rich in time, not just things. Time is the real money. Spend it with those you love. Use it to grow. Don't waste your life earning. And forget to live. The power of saying no. No to debt. No to fake friends. No to chasing status. Every no protects your peace. Say it with strength. Freedom isn't bought, it's built. It's built in small choices. Waking early. Spending wisely. Choosing meaning over money. That's how you build a free life. The wisdom of the poor. Some who have little have the most joy. They laugh louder. They love deeper. Because they've learned. Happiness is not for sale. You are not your job title. You are not your paycheck. Not your suit. Not your desk. You are your values, your actions, your soul. Live like you already have enough. Act like you're already full, grateful, calm, complete. That's when true magic starts. That's when chasing ends. When did enough stop being enough? There was a time when food, family, and rest were enough. Now we scroll, compare, want more. But more doesn't mean better. Go back to enough. It's where peace lives. You can be poor and still powerful. Power isn't in pockets. It's in presence, in how you stand when storms come. The strong don't need gold. They carry fire inside. Don't let money define you. You are more than what you have. Your spirit is deeper than numbers in a bank. Don't shrink to a price tag. Rise as a person. Real success feels quiet. It's not loud, not flashy. It's peace. It's sleeping well at night. It's smiling for no reason. That's success. Not noise. Not show. You can say no to the race. The race to be the richest, the smartest, the most followed. You don't have to run. You can walk your own way. What if you lost it all? Imagine losing your money, your house, your stuff. What's left? That's what matters. If your soul stands strong, you're already rich. Be still. Be grateful. Sit. Breathe. Feel what you already have. A body, a mind, a moment. Say thank you. That's the beginning of wealth. You're not behind. Don't rush. Don't compare. You're not late. You're not broken. Your life is not a race. It's a journey. Wealth is the ability to let go. The rich can't let go. They hold tight. But freedom lives in release. Let go of fear. Let go of needing more. That's real wealth. This moment is enough. Not tomorrow. Not next year. Now. This breath. This step. This stillness. It's enough. Live here. Be free here. The richest man has a quiet mind. Not the loudest. Not the one with the most, but the one who can sit still and feel peace inside. That's the richest man alive. You carry value without wealth. Even if you're broke, even if the world forgets your name, you carry light. You carry truth. You carry value that money can't buy. Be unshakable without a fortune. The Stoics lost things: money, power, family, but not themselves, because their strength lived inside. So even with nothing, they stood tall. What you own owns you too. That car, that house, that fame, you think you own them? No. They pull your time, your worry, your soul. Less is lighter. Less is freedom. Don't trade your life for likes. People spend hours trying to look rich, to look happy, for likes. But what's the cost? Your peace, your real life. Don't trade what's real for what's fake. What truly lasts. Not money, not trends, not things, but kindness, wisdom, and the way you made others feel. That lasts forever. Love over luxury. You can't buy real love. You can't buy real friends. But with truth and time, you grow what money can't touch. Choose love. It's the highest treasure. Be poor in ego, rich in soul. Drop the pride. Let go of "I need more." Walk with humility. Walk with grace. That's how your soul grows rich. The most expensive thing is peace lost. What does it cost to chase endlessly? Your peace, your health, your time. If you lose those, you've paid too much. Build a life that needs less. Not more income, but fewer needs. Not more applause, but deeper joy. Build a life so simple, so solid, that nothing can shake it.